Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Consider subscribing, liking and commenting on my videos. There are more great recipes here on this channel every week. If you're already a subscriber, you are the best. I hope you enjoyed this video. So today we're making a very simple recipe. We are baking a vegan banana bread and you won't regret watching this video. It's delicious. Let's get to it. Here is what you will need. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm using unbleached flour. 1 cup of coconut sugar. This really makes a difference, trust me. Half a cup of coconut oil. 1/3 cup of chopped almond. I've toasted this a little bit. Half a cup of almond milk, some two ripe bananas, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of flax seeds, a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of baking powder. Let's start by mixing all our dry ingredients together. In a bowl, peel and mash your bananas with a fork. After your bananas are all mashed, it's okay if it's a bit lumpy. You don't need it to be smooth. Stir in your milk, coconut oil, and lemon juice. Combine this until uniform. Stir in your sugar. After this is well mixed, stir in your dry ingredients. You can do it vice versa too. You can stir in the wet into the dry or the dry into the wet. It doesn't really make any difference. Now stir in your toasted almond. Line the bottom of a pan with some baking paper or parchment paper and pour in your butter. By now your oven should be preheated now. And put this in the oven and bake for 40 minutes. I will see you all in 40. This smells really good. Oh, it's still really hot. Oh my goodness. This is really soft and moist. Oh my god, it's still really hot. I can't wait to taste this. Give this a try. This will be a perfect breakfast meal or even snack at work. Guys, this banana bread is really good and I kid you not, okay? Give this a try. Oh, it smells amazing and it tastes even better. It's so delicious, it's healthy. Give it a try. I'm just gonna try this piece here. Okay, look, still a bit hot, but try this recipe. You have to try this recipe. It's really amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you get to see it. and leave a comment, and let's be YouTube friends. See you next time. God bless.